Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I'm going to share with you the easiest recipe, a quick Pinoy breakfast at home. First, prepare the boneless Bangus or milkfish marinated with soy sauce, vinegar, salt, and black pepper. Then start frying it. Fry the Bangus for 3 to 4 minutes. When the milkfish is fully cooked, plate it with cucumber salad, rice, and the century egg. Enjoy! If you want the recipe for cucumber salad, click this link to watch the video on how to make it. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Check out all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.